Hey everyone, welcome to Appalachian Farmstead. So, well, it was sunny, but we're under a level 4 storm watch today. Severe thunderstorms, flooding downpours, hail, damaging winds, and possible tornadoes. Now, likelihood of us right here getting tornadoes is slim to none. So, but I wanted to show you this. So, oh, she just stood up. So that one right there, brown and white, Delilah. We think she's about to have a baby. Something's going on. And then the next one, where is she? Where's my finger? Right there. Felicia. She might be having a baby here soon also. That's awesome, right? But this is what we woke up to. Actually, didn't wake up to yesterday. So things are hectic yesterday. So we didn't actually get to do chores until almost noon. So I'm walking down here. And looky who's in with Peaches. This is Fiona right there. Oh, Fiona. How about it, Fiona? What did Fiona give us? Fiona gave us, there's Peaches and her little buckling. I don't know what his name is. These little bucklings are going to be sold probably. We have him. We have Norman that's up there with these guys. He needs to go. And look what Fiona, oh my God, look at this mud. This is insane. Looky, looky. So he was running around. He was dried off, everything. It's a little buckling. I know I posted on my shorts that it was a doe. That's because Carrie told me it was a doe. She's the one who scooped it up and said, oh, it's a doe. Oh my God, I'm going to die here in this mud. Hold on. Give me a second. I don't want the gate open. Let me zoom out. I'm just looking at your baby. I'm just showing everybody your baby. Don't get all upset. He's sleeping. He's so cute. So cute. Hey, little buddy. How are you? Is that a good spot? Is that a good spot? Hey. Oh, sorry. Did I wake you up? He's a cutie. Yeah, you're a little cutie. So that is her first baby. She's doing pretty good. I think so. So, one thing nice, she is the daughter of her, and Peaches has unbelievable teats. I mean, they're so nice, and she does too. So, at some point when we start milking her, which, oh boy, that's going to be a tug of war. But, yeah. So we got a baby. We had to put them in here. So, no, you're not coming out. So that's what's happened yesterday. That was the big news of yesterday morning. Awesomeness, right? Now, I hope Delilah has a baby, and I hope it's good this time. We lost her last one. So, all right. I know I'm babbling and walking, but today I'm going to take you around something I don't ever really publish on my channel. Today is Apothecary Day. So Carrie already snagged the ones out of there. So today, and this only happens for about a week or so, every year, the end of June, beginning of July. Can you see what I'm looking at? Can you see what I'm gonna pick? What am I picking? Right here, it's 3 of them. There's one. There's a really nice one, and there's a nice one. So this is called Indian pipe or ghost pipe. You just break them off. You don't want to kill them. You don't want to pull the roots out. There it is, what they is. So it's called, like I said, it's called ghost pipe or Indian pipe. And it doesn't have any chlorophyll, that's why it's white. I'm gonna let that one go and get bigger. So we're gonna go around and we're gonna collect this stuff, put it in. Oh, there's a whole bunch right there. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So we're gonna get as much as we can, and then I will show you what we do with this. All right, we got some right here. That one's already broke off. That's all right. Let those 2 go. They still got a little bit to go. There's a nice one. Out here looking for ghost pipe, and look what I found. Black snake, little guy. Lots of snakes this year for some reason. I don't know why. And it's getting windy. Holy smokes. I haven't found any new ones. This is it so far. Where you at? There. So, how about that? Can you see that now? Woo, found the mother lode here. Nice. They usually stick out kind of like a sore thumb, you know, because they're white. But these are nice. Actually, they're getting close to being done. But we'll get them all because they're good to go. Okay. Gotta keep searching. We were coming past the rabbits here. Hi, Jackie. Look what Jackie had this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Nope, 6. 6. Good job, Mama. 6 little rabbits. It's awesome. Thank you. All right, guys. Wind is really picking up. This is what I ended up with. Not a whole lot. Sorry. But the wind's really howling. Storms are coming. So I'm going to take you in. I think it's a little early. That's what the problem is. I think it's a little early. Probably by 3-4 days, we'll have more poking up. There's a lot of them that are poking up that are not ready yet. So, oh, I just see some right there. I'll grab those. But yeah, so next couple days I'll come back out, pick some more, but I'm going to take you in and show you what we do with them, and then show you what it looks like after. Well, actually, I have stuff that's a year or so, but this year, you know, with what we have, that'll probably do half a gallon. So let me show you what's going on. I'll take you inside. All right, guys. So what I did is I dumped them out so I can get rid of all the leaf litter, the dirt. You don't really clean them too much. I've never put them in water. So just pick all that stuff off. I try to find you one. It's like, well, this one here, you see how he kind of got into the dirt a little bit. I just snipped the bottom off of that, And you just kind of, just clean the dirt off, okay? That's a good one. Nothing on him. That's a good one. Woo! That's a dirty one. Don't want to go crazy on the... Oh, geez, I just broke him. It's all right. Okay. All right. Let's see what else. I'll cut that little dude off. Okay. Cut that bottom off. Like I said, this is probably going to be a couple days early or a week. So they only come out about a week or two once a year, then they just go away. So, all right. So that's it. So we'll have to clean that up. Now, I already picked these this morning. So what you're going to do, I'm going to go with a full jar here. This is just cheap vodka, all right? And it's got to cover it. So let me grab some more. Oops. Wasting my vodka. All right. So there we go. Now I'll get some more later. But I'm going to go get I'm going to go get you stuff from last year. Show you what it looks like. Okay. So here's what it looks like after a year. That is, I don't know how much is in there. Honestly, I don't remember how much you put in there. But I will tell you, I ordered this years and years and years ago from a place out of North Carolina. And I got it because I was like, oh, that's pretty interesting. So we used to grow gourmet mushrooms and medicinal mushrooms as a business until COVID wiped that entire business out. Anyways, I was asked at a show if we made Indian pipe, and I was like, because when you're selling mushrooms at a show, yikes. Sorry about that. Oh my gosh. So, anyways, I got to ask about this, and I was like, oh, since you sell mushrooms, everybody's like, oh, do you have psychedelics, And in Pennsylvania, that'll get you a gun put to your head by a SWAT team, all right? So, they don't want you doing natural cures. Got to do big pharma. Or they will come down on you hard. So, I know several years ago, just at the other north end of the county, somebody was doing psychedelics, and they went in with a 20-person SWAT raid. So helicopter, the whole 9 yards, just for this guy. And he was in an apartment, and he probably had 20 freaking mushrooms. So, anyways, so this is what it looks like. Now I will tell you, like I said, I started off before. We ordered this years and years ago because we didn't know what it was, and it came and it was clear. Yeah. So I did some further research. I didn't know any better. And if it's not, so this kind of looks black. If you hold it up to the light, it's purple. Like almost black. It's purple. That's the good stuff. Anything that's clear, no good. Okay? So this will sit, and I'll add to this, and I'll make a bigger jar, But it comes in this. This is how you get it from us. Right here. 2-ounce bottle. I will look on my website because I don't know how much it costs. That's around $20. And you take 5 or 6 drops a day. Usually in the evening. It helps you a little sleepy, and it helps with pain. So this is how you get it. So, that's how it is. All right? That's how we do wild, harvested, ghost pipe, Indian pipe. It's probably another name out there that I don't know about. But yeah. So if you're interested in it, check out the link below, appalachianfarmstead.store. So I actually have somebody, cool dude, just offered to help me from the Cincinnati, Ohio area, and just to help me improve my Shopify store. So I really appreciate that. You know who you are if you're watching this. So, but this will sit, and I'll add to it as we get more. I'll add more vodka to it, and it'll turn out like this. And then when you order it, we bottle it and filter it, and send it to you. So, with instructions and all that good stuff. In fact, I think that has it on it. Yeah, right here. 5 to 15 drops daily, sublingually. So, and it does have alcohol. So, if you're like sensitive to alcohol or whatever, I don't have the water tincture. So, vodka, I mean, there's not enough in here to, 5 to 15 drops ain't going to get you drunk. So. All right, guys. So, if you're interested in this stuff, it does help. It's a natural cure. It's not a cure, a treatment for your ailments. I will actually put what it's used for in the description, and you can get it there. You can read it for yourself. What else? Yeah, and then we have all the other. We have maitake, and we have lion's mane. We have turkey tail. We have all those. These are not mushrooms, okay? This is a plant. This is not a mushroom. It is a plant with no chlorophyll in it. But we do have mushroom tinctures, medicinal mushroom tinctures. Maitake, lion's mane, turkey tail. There's a bunch of them. Chaga, all that. We grew all that stuff except for the chaga and made our own tinctures. So check that out below. If you're into natural cures / treatments, not the big pharma poison, then check it out. I'm not a doctor, so don't take this as the gospel. I don't think you should take them as the gospel either. So, all right, thanks for watching, and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, leave me a comment what you think about this stuff. I take it. It works, helps you sleep. Better than melatonin, I think. And what else? That's it, I guess. Go to our store, appalachianfarmstead.store. Click on the wild. I'll put the link right here. I got so much going on, guys. I don't know what I'm doing or if I'm coming or going. We got the website going. We've got babies dropping everywhere. I got hay coming up now because we are going to be near 100 degrees for the next 4 or 5 days. So we're going to get hay in. It's just, I still haven't finished this miserable rabbit hutch because it won't stop raining. So, all right, I'm done bitching. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and go to our store. Help support the farm. We're a local business. We're a small cottage business, I guess it's called. Don't get this stuff off of Amazon because it doesn't work. It's not the real stuff. Peace out.